Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Easy Revision. Here I will make videos of revision for you so that you can easily pass the exam without failing. First let's start off with some chemistry. Yes, chemistry can be a hard subject, but not anymore. Because at first even I thought it was a hard subject. But I found it very interesting afterwards. So I will also give you some tips along these videos so that you can think of it as an interesting subject. I will make sure that you enjoy it and understand everything in this subject. Chemistry is like magic, but it's real because only you got the solution. For our first topic, I wanted to start with basics, which is state of matter. Everything in this world is one of these state of matter. So what are these states of matter? Pause the video to write down if you already know the answer, which I'm pretty sure everyone does. Alright, now let's find out. There are four types of states of matter: solids, liquids, gases, and plasma. But for this video, we will talk about the three basic states of matter, which is solid, liquid, and gas. The main points that will be discussed in this video are the particle arrangement, the movement of the particles, shape, and the volume of the three states of matter. Moving on to the first state, solids. What are solids? What are some of the examples that you can think of? Some of the examples that I wrote are books, cars, laptops, chairs, and even the pen I'm writing now, and many more. Anything which has a shape and a fixed volume can be considered as a solid. These objects tend to have fixed shape and volume because the atoms or the particles are tightly packed or arranged in a fixed pattern like a lattice. They are strongly bonded to each other through the internal forces which minimize their movement. The only possible movement possible in solids are vibration. As you can see in this diagram, they vibrate but in a fixed position. Second state of matter is liquids. What is the most basic example that comes directly to your mind when you mention about liquids? Yes, water, the universal solvent. And some of the other examples are fruit juice, oil, coffee, and glue. Liquids have a fixed volume but no fixed shape. They take the shape of the container which you pour it in. As you can see in a water bottle, the water takes up the shape of the bottle or the container. This is because in a liquid, the particles can move around and slide past each other as they have comparatively weaker bonds between the particles than in a solid, and they are not arranged like a lattice. Regarding these intermolecular forces, I will be doing another video so that you can get a great idea on this. This, this shows the particle movement in a liquid. As you can see, they slide past each other and they have a free space, comparatively higher than a solid. The last state of matter is gas. Can you see gas? Can you touch it and hold it in your bare hands? No, I don't think so. First, let's see some of the famous example of gases which all of us know. Oxygen, which we inhale, carbon dioxide, which we exhale, nitrogen, which takes up more than 75% of the air around us, hydrogen, and helium. As you know, gases are everywhere. This is because they have no fixed shape but a fixed volume, which is the volume of the container. Just like in solids, they take the shape of the container as well. The particles in a gas are free to move as their particles are arranged far apart from each other. The free movement of the particles are due to their empty space present between the particles and due to the weak intermolecular bonds between the particles. They will collide with each other and bounce off in different directions. This shows the movement of gas particles. As you can see, there's a huge amount of free space between them, allowing the particles to move wherever they want. Let's summarize what we learned in this video. Solids have a fixed shape and a fixed volume. Liquid take the shape of the container and has a fixed volume. The gas takes the shape of the container and the volume of the container. Mobility and the arrangement of the particles. Solids has the least mobility, while the gas has the highest mobility, and the arrangement, solids are tightly packed with no free space on them, while the gas has a huge amount of free space between them. Test yourself with these 3 questions on what you have learned in this video. The first question is, explain why solids expand when heated. Think to yourself, why is it expanding? The second, explain why you can pour liquids. The third, explain why gases move around. I think you already know the answers for these 3 questions. Comment down the answers. Any questions you came across during this video, please feel free to comment. And I would happy to hear any suggestion for any videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and help me. A little piece of advice for this video. Don't stop until you're proud. Thank you and see you again. Bye.